Gabriel and Don, you make sure you get everything looking good around here. Make sure the dog got water, make sure the pig got food, and make sure the chicken got scratched before you guys go to your party, okay?
It's party time in the Marianas. Let's party down on that day. It's party time in the Marianas. Let's party down the islands that way. I'm from a siphon, a junior road and Guam. Come on everybody, let's have some fun. Pack up your things and grab all your gear. Let's have a party cause the weekend here. People come from the west and they come from the east. All they wanna do is get down and party. Come to the beach and let's have some fun. Take off your shoes and enjoy the sun. Let's take a walk in the beach and enjoy the sand. Listen to the rhythm of the island jam. It's party time in the Marianas. Let's party down on that day. It's party time in the Marianas. Let's party down the islands that way. Hey, and here we go. We take it away with the flow. Here we go with the Gabriel. We got him in the mic. Lord have mercy. Let's bust a little beat with this island song. Cause Guam is the island we come from. From north to the south. They like this beat. So come and everybody get up off your feet. From Jiggle to Malolo, Amariso, Amangila. Everybody from a Tumambe. Everybody grab your partner that is standing in the corner. Everybody let's dance this reggae. It's party time in the Marianas. Let's party down on that day. It's party time in the Marianas. Let's party down the islands that way.
I see Don and see Gabriel. Whose story is that on the road? You know I got a call today from the mayor, and they told me you guys left some stuff at the pier. Whose belonging is that day? You better get that before you go to the party, Mr. Fiesta.
From a siphon, Junior Road and Guam. Come on everybody, let's have some fun. So pack up your thing and grab all your gear. Let's have a party cause the weekend here. People come from the west and they come from the east. All they wanna do is get down and party. So come to the beach and let's have some fun. Take off your shoes and enjoy the sun. Let's take a walk in the beach and enjoy the sand. Listen to the rhythm of the island jam. It's party time in the Marianas. Let's party down on that day. It's party time in the Marianas. Let's party down the islands that way.
Make sure when you go to the party, you in your Nina and your Nino, okay, boy? And when you see the governor, make sure you tell him I want to talk to him. And when you balut that, make sure don't get too much. And boy, bring me back some fatadalai. You have fun at the party. Singing!
It's party time in the Marianas. Let's party down on that day. It's party time in the Marianas. Let's party down the islands that way. 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 Jiggle to Malolo, Amarito, Amangelo, everybody from a Dumont Bay. Everybody grab your partner that is standing in the corner. Everybody let's dance this reggae. Party